Capsule filling guide. Place the alignment plate onto the body plate. Pour in capsule bodies and shake side to side until they drop into the slots. Pour off excess capsule bodies and remove the alignment plate. Press the sides of the plate to adjust any upside-down capsules open and up. Place the powder guard onto the cap plate. Pour in the capsule caps. Hold both plates and shake until the caps drop into the slots. Pour off excess caps and remove the powder guard. Fix any upside-down caps so the open end faces up. Place the middle plate notch facing up onto the cap plate and set aside. Place the powder guard onto the body plate. Pour in your powder. Spread the powder evenly with the scraper. Tamp the powder down firmly. Repeat if needed. Scrape off any excess powder. Remove the powder guard and brush away remaining powder. Flip the combined cap and middle plates over onto the body plate. Press down firmly with both hands to lock the capsules. Remove the cap plate. The capsules will stay on the middle plate. Flip the middle plate over and push the finished capsules out.